As an emergency practice, our patients are coming in often needing urgent or emergent care, and to do that efficiently, you need urgent or emergent information and data. And so having an in-house lab where we can run a CBC, chemistry, blood gases, and have those answers in 20 to 30 minutes can help us make a decision for that patient's care right away. And with the integration between ezyVet and IDEXX, those results pop up into my medical record on their own, so that just streamlines everything.
Our old facility was a third of the size of this hospital now. We grew pretty rapidly in the last 5 years. We added on multiple different specialties and we outgrew our space. So with the expansion of our hospital, we created 3 different labs. We historically did not have anything that was integrated, so the integration of IDEXX and ezyVet has been a game changer for us in our day-to-day practice.
The most dramatic benefit that I've experienced with ezyVet is in my time to write my medical records. Earlier in my career, I would be hours at the end of my shift finishing my charts, and ezyVet has a really straightforward shortcut and template system that helps facilitate me getting my complete and thorough records in a fraction of the time that it used to take. Before SmartFlow, we had paper charts that we hand wrote and hand filled out, and obviously that's bad. SmartFlow helps streamline the medicine that we're doing. It helps with making sure you're using the right dose in terms of doing your calculation on a medication. It helps prompt you when things are due. And that pulls into the ezyVet record as well when you discharge a patient, and so that's convenient.
I've been in this field for a long time. IDEXX has always been the leader in veterinary medicine. I've also worked with other competitors. Their customer service is far superior. Their turnaround times are faster. They've just been a much easier lab to work with from a customer standpoint.
Having one touch point for the whole IDEXX ecosystem is crucial because our jobs are super busy. We're trying to help as many pets and pet parents as possible every day. We don't have the liberty of downtime to wait for something to update or look for a fix. It is nice to have software that is constantly updating itself because no software starts perfect, and we can give feedback and make suggestions, and to know that the company is putting those into practice, making it better, making our lives easier in the background with regularity is really nice backup to have.
I would definitely recommend the ezyVet IDEXX ecosystem to other managers. It is a significant time saver, it's efficient, and it's reliable.